is a new service offered by Freebridge Realty. It combines our years of experience in selling homes and adding value with expert local contractors. For property in need of a bit of polish and limited investment, we elevate the value of your property in a creative and efficient way. We design a budget and manage your home's makeover to get more value from your property. Whether it's refinishing floors, updating a stale kitchen, or replacing outdated wallpaper, we enjoy exposing a home's splendor in order to get your property sold. Through creativity and know-how, Catapult elevates the value of your home with tasteful improvements that current buyers appreciate. This Easton property sold for nearly double the original as-is value. At Freebridge Realty, we love selling real estate, and now we love catapulting the value of it too.